So please, guys, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more coming from Hair Rich Project. It's newly formed, but there's a lot of good things on the way, I promise you. And you can like us on Facebook or Instagram as well. And like I said, I'm trying to give away hair for you to make your own spring twists. Forget those Amazon twists. These are not your Amazon twists. These are made by hand using the spring twist hair. You control the size. You control the neatness. You control the ends. You control the frizz. You control the color. You control the style. So yes, just by filling out the form, subscribing to the channel, I will send you hair. You pick the color that you want, and if it's in stock, you'll get your first choice, but I asked for 3 different choices, and it'll move to the next one if it's in stock, and if not, then the 3rd choice. So yes, I'm giving away spring twist hair to make your own Yankee twist. I really do like wearing them myself, and I think you will too. And they're really easy to make. There's also the tutorial video for how to make them. They do take a little time, but they can also be reused. So if you spend the time once, you have hair that you can use for months. So yeah, please take advantage and get some of this spring twist hair to make you some beautiful Yankee twists. Thanks for watching.